Look at this, Mom.
I know last year you wanted to wait. Oh.
It is.
I think that's bad.
They want to have it up and running in 12 months.
Probably expect somebody like me to move in there.
Hmm?
Oh.
Yep, all the trees came down and they want to just take her down. Digging things out. Oh, they did get around the edge.
What sidewalk here?
There's probably gonna haul it out in the next week. Who knows?
Today, well, in Watertown, so I have money to pay.
August
Is that mostly your
11th.
Social Security?
What about it?
Is that from your Social Security?
No, it's still rent money I got for the farm rent this spring, you know. I'm okay.
Not sure what the purpose of the windmill going today is, other than a nice breeze.
It should spin once in a while. Makes it look nice, operable, and that's why it just sits there and catches everybody's attention.
Mrs. Stingle's room. There's mushing.
Right, can I get there at the same time? If there's an opportunity, and I talked to the guy,
What?
if there'd be a quick way to ask him, was that really shattered?
Oh yeah,
That's,
you could ask him. You took the bike many times though on this path, huh?
oh yeah.
About 7:10 on Wednesday night, August 11th. Many great memories in this school. East 10th Avenue, Koch School. Wow.
I mean, because this is the main gymnasium here. It's all everything's boiler heat.
Yeah.
And I think that other one isn't. I think that's self-sustained for.
Now look at. Yeah. The music room in there, Mrs. Tilke.
Yep.
Yeah.
That was further down.
Windy today. Mrs. Shell. Well, I'm going to take...
And then they put down that pillar over here too, I've seen that. That did that a long time ago, a hole right through it.
David Chamber.
That's my-
A hole right up in that top one by Harold Lambrick. You remember that, huh?
I was guessing. That's what I'm guessing who it was.
Wow.
Spot right here.
It makes you wonder what's in the next plans if they're going to take this thing down.
What are you gonna do with that stuff?
Yeah, getting some good documentation on this wonderful school for so many years. I don't know when the school went up, but
I think it was in the 50s.
50s? Southwest corner. What a perfect night. Playground. Looks like they've been digging in there, haven't they?
I think some of the stuff somebody's been able to get some of the stuff out of there.
You walk back here.
It was a while.
I don't know about you, but I need to go in here.
Yep, that's a different smell, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Boy, look at all the wiring they ripped out.
Jeez. This is all access right here. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Height.
Right there is the ones that,
Yeah, you know,
no matter what the hell I do, I don't know.
we had one of the good ones. We had the best shot on the inside.
Yep, we sure did, Dave. One of the last looks.
Yeah.
Mrs. Scott's on one side here and Mr. Shell's on the other. Wasn't that the way it was?
That's the way it was.
Yeah, Dad would probably just say, well, something better. They're going to get some use out of it now. A lot of people driving by very slowly. Still says
I'm
Cook
glad
up
they left
there.
that don't smoke up.
Yep, going down to the end.
Fred Adderhold, what would he say?
Fred Adderhold, yeah, what would he?
You know, I
You'd be
did learn
thinking.
a lot from him. And there were some people who asked walking one Saturday, and there was a big snake on that sidewalk.
On a Saturday in the
Yeah.
fall or what?
Yeah.
Huge snake.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you don't forget that.
I don't. Where there's emotion, you remember things better.
Yeah,
You remember being embarrassed.
yeah,
You remember being extra happy, extra sad.
that's true.
Emotions.
Oh, that's your old room. Was it to the far right there?
No.
Or which one was yours? I thought you...
1, 2, 3, 4. That one. The fourth set of windows was my room for
One?
many years. 1, 2, 1,
Isn't it 2 windows per room?
3, 4. It's different over there. They've changed it when they put the.
Oh, so you were down here more. I always thought you
Yeah,
were on
I
the
was
corner.
on the west. I was on the
came up
west.
and just got my pants all wet.
Oh, gee.
Yeah.
You know what? Greg heard about you and your mom. That singing was awesome. They never heard such nice music.
Yeah, I heard that, Rihanna. The singing was incredible.
When? Oh,
Grandpa's funeral.
Oh, yeah.
Way to be a part of that. So where are you right now?
I'm down at the beach. I
Oh.
wanted to show you waves. They're just so crazy right now.
This is live right now.
Yeah.
See that, Mom? What's making... It's kind of tilted, Rihanna. Are you...
You want it
There, that's better.
this way?
Yeah.
What they do with that.
Gorgeous sky, but it sets on the Koch School. What's that, Mom?
We're getting up there early in the morning.
Yep.
Did you ever bother Russian sage was on it.
Oh, out in the rocks? No, I could.
Out here.